Let's delete a private server in Roblox Mobile. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android, and we need to first just navigate to that server. The easiest way to navigate to it is to go to your private server list, or you can just go to that game directly if you know which game it is. However, on here, all I need to do is on here filter for private servers. Now you'll be able to see all of them on here. Let's go to please donate. And let's turn off or cancel this one. All I need to do is go down to servers here, and there is my private server. I can disable it or delete it just by hitting configure. And one easy option is to turn off subscription status. And then now it says you've successfully changed that private server. It will no longer charge you. You can also just go back out of here, tap on those three dots, and you'll be able to see if you hit configure now and go back in here, it no longer is charging you. You can also turn off allow joining and connections allowed, and now no one else will be able to join it, and it will effectively be canceled.